friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back here with a bottle. We'll make a bottle art. Very simple. This is a small glass bottle I have taken. It's better to take a glass bottle. So I have applied a coat of POP mixed with glue and water, and I have covered the whole bottle. Because it takes time to dry, I have already made it ready here. So the same bottle I have used to cover, if you can see, this is how I have done it. Now onto this bottle I have used a fork and made lines. So if you don't want this type of a texture, then you can just make it plain or as you like. So now any color you like. I'm using acrylic color here. So I'm going to paint this bottle with acrylic color. So first you have to apply this POP and let it dry completely. It doesn't take much time, at least 1 hour or so you have to leave it to dry, and then you can paint it. Now let's paint this fully. Now I have painted this fully. Now within 5 minutes this will dry, so let it dry. Now to decorate this bottle I have taken a jute thread which is colored, and I have taken two artificial leaves, anything you can use. Here I am using some white and green marbles which I had, like this. You get to buy these, or if you have half glass pebbles, even those you can use. Now I am using a glue gun just to glue up a little. Now I'll use this jute thread like this, and we will roll it up. If you don't have a glue gun, you can even use Fevicol or Fevibond or anything like that, and we will so now I've stuck this fully over here. Now first we will stick this leaf like this. Now this is ready. Now we can start sticking the marbles like grapes. Now I'm going to stick these marbles or pebbles. It's better to use hot glue gun because it quickly sticks, and it also does not leave any color or any shades to these white marbles. So we can stick them like that. I'm using green marbles also in between. So look, it's so beautiful now. The grapes, I have formed the grapes. Not only one layer, a little on top also I have stuck, if you can see in the side. So on top also a very few, so that it looks very pretty. So now this is complete. Here I will use another leaf just to cover on top like that, just like this, so that I don't want this to be seen, and also it will look good. So one more leaf we will just put it like that. We will stick it here. So I have stuck this leaf on top. Now it looks really beautiful, and we don't have to throw off such bottles. You can just decorate them like this and then keep it on your window or somewhere where you like. You can even put dry artificial flowers, or even you can put in some money, so it look very pretty. Here I am using the same jute thread. I made a small bow. We will stick it over here like this. I'm sticking it here. So here our bottle art is complete. Very simple, very quick, and the only time it takes is to complete this POP work. Otherwise it is very easy to finish it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And I hope you will try this and let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.